Hello guys, hi, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to set up C++ development environment for Windows OS. Okay, so first of all I'll list down the topics that I am going to cover in this video. That is download this is the first part, downloading of the software. Second one will be software. Okay, this is the second one. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, and then finally we'll be doing a small demo program. Okay, so first of all we'll go with the downloading of the software. So open any of the browser in your system, and then in the URL section please select this one. Please type the URL. So this is the GCC compiler for Windows. Okay, that is TDM GCC. Okay, so this is the mandatory software that is required for setting up environment of C++. So I will tell you how to download this. So this is the URL shown here. Okay, in this depending on your system, that is system is 32-bit or 64-bit, there is a new release also written here. An update for 64-bit GCB package has been released. Okay, so that is a very good thing. Like the compiler suits, first of all the compiler suits both 32 and 64-bit, but now they have given a specification saying that 32-bit is different and 64-bit. So if you don't know the version, like what is your system is, so you can go to this PC. Okay, in this PC keep your pointer, give a right click, there will be properties. In that, if you click properties, there will be a window opening in which it is shown like a system type. Okay, so this will be like 64-bit, here it is shown. Okay, so you will understand from here whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit, and my OS is Windows 10. Okay, so you can get your OS, all those things. Okay, then I'm closing it for now because I know what it is. Okay, now you need to click here like TDM 64-bit bundle. Okay, so TDM 64, so it is gonna go directly to the sourceforge.net, and in 5 seconds my download is getting like ready. So now anyways, like it will start automatically after 5 seconds, and here with like I have downloaded it already, so I am like cancelling it, and then so here it is. It will look somewhat, for 64-bit it is somewhat like this. The icon will be TDM 64 GCC 5.1.0, which is the latest release. Okay, so next, first of all we will download all the applications and then we will be going with. Okay, so the next one that we need to download is the code blocks, which is universal, like universal in the sense which is compatible with Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Okay, so I will be going with code blocks. I will prefer code blocks so that there will be a uniformity, whereas for Windows users dev C++ is also a very good option. Okay, very good substitute, can be set as substitute for code blocks. It includes C++ from basic, like everything is there. So but I will be preferring with code blocks. So this is the link to download code blocks. Okay, so you can, everyone can go and visit this URL, and then you can download it from there. So like when you put like this, it will be like home page will come first, and then once you click downloads, you will come to the downloads page. In this, the very first bulletin, that is download the binary release. Okay, first if you click here, then it will directly go to this page, like which OS you are using. It is for all the 3 OSs, like Windows and like Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So for Windows I am downloading it. Here Windows is there in the first, then Linux 32 64-bit, then this is for Mac OS, like code blocks. Okay, Mac zip. So here you can, for Mac you can also use Xcode. Okay, and now I'll download it for Windows. Okay, so this is the first one, the 30 December 2017 one setup. Okay, here as it is open source, you need to go to sourceforge.net. like here there is a link. If you click it, it will automatically direct you. Like here it will show you again, your download will start shortly in 210. So here there is a download going on, whereas I am cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so I would like to cancel it. So I'll be like moving back, so it will be cancelled automatically. So okay, now I'll show you where I have downloaded it. Right click, cancel. Okay, the system is cancelled. Okay, now here I have downloaded it already. Okay, so code blocks and TDM. First of all, we will install TDM. Okay, which will be helpful. So double click on TDM, so there will be a pop-up like this, and you need to like, yes, you need to allow this publisher to make changes in your device. Okay, yes, and then it will like, next will be, so next you need to create installation. Okay, it will be for 64-bit. okay, and like both it is compatible with 32 and 64, or else it will be like only for 32-bit. okay, so you can give it like 32 and 64. Next, simple installation procedure. Hi, sorry for the interruption, but you may want to take at least a few seconds. Okay, all those that terms and conditions are given. Okay, so we'll give next, read it, but before you install, always read the terms and conditions, because there will be some catch. So it is showing like 867 GB space available. Okay, so then next, then we need to select, you can give SourceForge default, or we can even give any place like if you want. Okay, next, then GCC compiler, what all you need to select your components. So here I have given all this like by default. Then next, install. So better remember, this should be always ticked, add to the part, otherwise your work will be increased, or else it might not function properly, or you need to do add it to the path manually. Okay, so then next it will be install. So here the installation starts. So here the complete successful download installation is done. Sorry, so installation is done. Now next you have to click the next button. So then now, completing the TDM GCC setup wizard. TDM GCC has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close the wizard. Read the TDM readme. You don't need like exactly, because you have read the terms and conditions, I hope, and there will be like something called. Okay, now next, very important thing, now you need to check whether the GCC is installed properly and which version of GCC is installed in your system. Okay, so you can type it like this. You can use command prompt or PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, in which you can type it like GCC space double dash version, SION version. So it will tell you which version is installed. Here see, my it is gcc.exe TDM64 5.1.0, and if in case there is some error that is shown, in case it is showing in red color or some other than this, it is showing a error. So very simple thing, the path is not installed properly or registered properly. So a very simple thing, what you have to do is go to this PC C drive. Okay, in C drive there is always a folder TDM GCC 64, because I have installed 64, so it is showing 64. Double click on that, there will be bin folder, and now right click. Okay, so you'll get a total location, copy it, and then right click on this PC, that is my computers for Windows 7 and 8. Okay, advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, set environment variable, and in path, see here there is a path. Okay, double click, so there will be a new one, like it will open. So for me it is registered, and in case if it is not registered, click new, paste it. Okay, and then OK, click OK. Okay, whereas now I have already set it, so I don't need exactly to do that. Okay, and then OK, OK. Now next, do the same procedure, repeat the same procedure again. Okay, now GCC, after that this error might go, like this error in this, and the error might go. which you are facing. Okay, so this is done. Now next, now the compiler is set for C++. Okay, now we'll go with, like, next we need to do the code blocks. Double click, set up file. So again it is showing that publisher should make the changes. Okay, you should give the permission yes, only then it will go ahead. Then welcome to code block setup. Next, if you agree the terms and conditions, I agree. Then default install, all those CEC back to back, all those is given. Next, then it is giving you the location where it will be. So next, install. So it is installing the things, like it is going very fast. Okay, so I don't need to pause exactly the video, it is going. Okay, so do you want to run code blocks now? Yes, I need to. Okay, so then the open source cross platform ID 17.12. Next, then anyways it is finished. Okay, now I would like to minimize my screens. Okay, GNU GCC compiler detected, it is given because I have done TDM. Okay, then code blocks. Okay, this is started. Okay, now no, leave everything as it is. Okay, I don't need to change always, like this is to be done, that is to be done. Okay, now create a new project. Okay,
simple file.
Okay, just like I'll do a new file, open empty file I'll open. Okay, in that
Control S.
first of all I'll save it. Okay, and then desktop only I'll save it so that I'll get it later. Save. Okay, untitled only I'll save it because I don't want like exactly. So hash include, here it is giving hash include, in which I'll write stdio.h. Okay, this is the standard input output library header that is included in C. Okay, so in the in coming videos, if you don't know what it is stdio.h, I'll be explaining it in the next video. So then, like, next in it, int, you can give int, also void. Okay, main also can be given. Then printf hello users. Okay, can also be given like this, same thing. Okay, so if you give int instead of void, if you give int, you need to give a return type. That's it, simple thing. I've given void, so there is no return type. I can also give, like, I can also give print printf, so any number of printfs, like hello. So also everything will be printed. Then next I'll be doing Control X, and then so here I'll run it. Okay, it seems that this file has not been built yet. Okay, do you want to build it now? Yes, I need to build it. Okay, so it is building, and now press any key to continue. Hello is here, hello universe and hello users, both the outputs are here. So that's it, simple one. So now in this video you have understood how to set up environment, GCC compiler, and then how to install code blocks, and how to do the first program in it. Okay, so if you like this video, hit likes, subscribe my channel, and also comment me because this is my first video. Okay, thank you for watching.